Morning class 8, we were doing chapter number 2 and we were reading some rules, and now we are on rule number 5, that if it is written like this, है ना, then it can be written like this. Suppose here you can see this number under root 5. Now this means when you remove this sign, you can write it as 5 to the power 1 upon 2. Okay, when no number is there, we take it as 2. But here, 5 to the power 7 root, and here you can see this small 6. Can you see, children? Yes. Now, this can be written as 5 to the power 7, and this sign will remove, and this can be written as 1 upon 6. And when you have written this 1 upon 6, and if you will remove this bracket, so 7 into 1 upon 6 will give you 5 to the power 7 upon 6. This will get. Okay. Similarly, if there are two numbers, does not matter. This here, can you see small 3 root, and there is small 3. Okay. So a to the power 2 into b to the power 4. When you remove this root, this 3 will come like this, 1 upon 3. Clear, class? And when you open the bracket, this will be multiplied by this, and this also will be multiplied by this. So a to the power 2 into 1 upon 3 into b to the power 4 into 1 upon 3. It will give you a to the power 2 into 1. 2 ones are 2 upon 3, 2 by 3, and 4 into 1. 4 ones are 4 upon 3. Got, class? Now, also remember, children, that minus a to the power m will give you positive a to the power m if m is even. Suppose minus 5 is there and its power is 4. So the answer will come, when you open the bracket, the answer will come 5 to the power 4. This minus sign will not be there. Why? Because minus plus, plus minus minus, and minus plus. Now here again, if the power is odd, in that case the output will be negative. Okay, so let's see one example. Minus 5 to the power 3. Now minus 5 into minus 5 into minus 5, minus plus, plus minus. So it will give you minus 5 raised to the power 3. I hope all this is clear. Now let's start with example number 6. Evaluate. First example, 4 raised to the power 3 upon 2 into 125 raised to the power minus 2 upon 3. First of all, I would like all of you to take LCM. Like if you take the LCM of 4, you will get 2 2s are 4 and 2 1s are 2. So, you can write it as 2 to the power 2. Similarly, of 125, 5 2s are 10, 5 5s are 25, 5 5s are 25, and 5 1s are 5. So 5 into 5 into 5 is equal to 5 raised to the power 3. Clear? So you can write it in the exponential form. 4 you can write 2 to the power 2. The power will remain as it is outside. Similarly, 125 can be written as 5 to the power 3, and the outside power will remain as it is. Now, power law. Remember, multiply these two powers and open this bracket. So, when you will open this bracket, what will happen? 2 into 3 upon 2, 2 will cancel 2. So, only 3 is left. So, 2 to the power 3. Similarly, 5, 3 into minus 2 by 3. So, 3 will cancel 3. Minus 2 is there. And to make it positive, you will bring it down. Minus 2. Can you see the minus 2? After coming in the denominator, it will become 5 to the power 2. So, and this 2 to the power 3, 2 into 2 into 2 will give you 8. So, 8 upon 25 is the answer. I hope this is clear to you, class. Now, let's see one more example. 8 upon 27 raised to the power 2 by 3 divided by 32 raised to the power minus 2 upon 5. Again, first take LCM, children. Take the LCM of 8, take the LCM of 27, take the LCM of 32. and you will get like this. 8 can be written as 2 into 2 into 2. 27 can be written as 3 into 3 into 3. So 2 to the power 3 and 3 to the power 3. 32 can be written as 2 to the 4 to the 8 to the 16, 16 to the 32. Okay. So simplified this much. 8 ko we have written 2 and 2 to the power 3. 27 we have written 3 to the power 3. 32 we have written 2 to the power 5. Clear? Now these power will come in, when we'll open the bracket, these power will get multiplied to the inside powers, and 3 will cancel 3, 5 will cancel 5. So 2 upon 3 raised to the power 2 divided by 2 to the power minus 2. To make it positive again, we'll bring it down. But before that, children, can you see this divide sign? First remove this divide sign and put a multiply. Because of that, it will get reciprocal. Already it will come down, but the sign will not change. Now sign will change when I will deliberately take it up. Now I am taking it up. It is a to the power minus m, and now I am taking it up. Now it will become a to the power m. So 2 to the power minus 2 I will take up. I have taken up, so it has become 2 to the power 2. Now 2 to the power 2 means 4. Here also we'll simplify these terms. 2 to the power 2, 4. 3 to the power 2, 9. So 4 4s are 16 and 9. Please children, please go through them twice, thrice, as many times as you want. And if you have got any problem in understanding, please don't hesitate in asking. Please ask. Please call me personally. Okay? And ask your problems, or send me the pictures of the problems of the questions, and I will solve and try to make video of that also. But for that you have to come forward. Please ask your problems. Don't just sit back. Okay class, now we have done with these two examples. I'll be starting with the exercise related to these two examples, and then we'll move further. Thank you. Have a great day.